I don't have the space for a paddock stand, so I bought this new jack stand for my motorcycle. And today I'm going to take it for a spin, literally. So this is what the box looks like, and the instructions are all in Japanese. I can't read it, but it's easy to figure out. First, I will turn the wheel, and then I will lock the front brakes using the Velcro strap. And then using this jack, I'll place it under the swing arm and start turning it. I'll make this part faster so you don't have to see me mess up and turn the wrong way. When it starts to get too tight, I will use a screwdriver to spin the jack a little bit more so that the tire can clear the ground. And then I will spin the lock nut so that the jack stays in place. With the wheel off the ground, I can start spraying the chain with the wheel cleaner. Here I am using the Ippon chain cleaner. It says to leave it on for 10 minutes and then you can start scrubbing and cleaning. And I'll try to scrub here as well, along the inner part of the chain. As you can see, it's not so easy on a Hayabusa. And then I will rinse off the soap and cleaner. I do this a total of 3 times. And when I'm happy, I will grab a rag and just dry the chain manually. When I'm happy with that, I will use the chain loop. As you can see, it's a very difficult place to reach. And there's some problem with the chain loop. When you press the button or trigger, it doesn't come out of the nozzle, it goes out everywhere else. So what I did was, I sprayed some on my finger and just looped the chain from there. The chain is pretty thick, it's not the runny kind. So I go all the way up and down the chain on the inner side, not the outer side. If you place it, or if you apply it on the outer side, it will probably just fling off. So I go around the chain about 2 times. And when I'm happy, it's done.